Someone asks for something unreasonable. You know the answer should be no, and yet you feel your throat tighten, your mind scrambling for a softer way to say it, or a way to avoid saying it at all. For a two-letter word, no, carries an enormous amount of weight for some people. Here's why. For most people who struggle here, saying no was never really about the request. It was learned early as a risk to connection itself, a version of, if I disappoint you, you might leave, get angry, or stop loving me. So the discomfort isn't really about the favor. It's an old alarm about abandonment, dressed up as an awkward moment. Here's the part that surprises people. Boundaries don't push people away. The absence of them does. Slowly, through resentment that leaks out sideways instead of being spoken directly. People without boundaries aren't more loved, they're more used. And the relationships that survive a clearly stated no were never as fragile as the fear made them seem. The guilt that shows up right after you say no isn't proof you did something wrong. It's proof you did something unfamiliar. Guilt, in this context, is often just the sound of an old rule being broken, not a moral verdict. Confusing the discomfort of change with evidence of wrongdoing keeps the old pattern in charge indefinitely. You don't build boundaries by preparing the perfect justification. Instead, try this. Practice a no that gives zero explanation. "That doesn't work for me" is a complete sentence. The more you can hold to it without over-explaining, the less it costs you internally over time. You are never actually protecting the relationship by abandoning yourself in it. If no has ever felt harder to say than it should, subscribe. Next week, why you can never stop comparing yourself to others.